I see you, New Balance. I see you. Unofficial Grey Day 2023. No, man, I've got to give it to you because this is something I never even knew was a thing. Yes, people, welcome back. My name's Patrick T. I do reviews on all kinds of kicks and trainers, trying to help you decide whether or not to cop or drop. That's my goal, you know. But I also do videos like this, which highlights stuff in the sneaker industry, like the New Balance Grey Day. Never even knew it was a thing.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth.
It's an unofficial New Balance Day, but it started back in 2018, and what it does is paying homage to the grey colours New Balance used way back in the day to make their trainers fit for everyone to wear. So 2023, their posters are, you know, Grey Day 23. I think there's about 4 trainers which are the highlights of the Grey Day. We have the 580s, 550s, the Fresh Foam More Trail version 3, and we have one of their newer styles, which is the 9060 Wolf Grey, I think it's called. Now, like I said to you, I didn't even know this is a thing. But what makes it so New Balance is that it's there, but not there. If you know, you know. And what it's done, it's allowed shops to jump on a Grey Day, unofficial holiday or unofficial New Balance day and sell kicks as and how they want to. Obviously, they've got the greys, which I've just spoken about. But I've seen that they've even put in grey football boots, you know, and all the other grey trainers. There's grey tracksuits, there's tops, there's things like that. And let's be honest, they're at a decent price. They're going from like £135 to £150. Obviously, you can get other New Balance silhouettes, which, you know, are their top end ones, which is £200 plus. But the 4 that they've released, they're nice kicks. And New Balance, without doubt, right, let me get this right, have been using top materials all the time. It's very rare that you're going to get a New Balance which is not what it says on the tin. Do you know what I mean? They're comfortable, they're light, which is crazy for all the material they use, and the pricing compared to, say, like a Jordan 1 now, where material sometimes you just don't know what material you're going to get. It could be feel like paper, and then you get another one which is not that great, but the leather's good. It's just consistent. So I have to big up to New Balance, you know, having a look at these colours, what they've put on there. The grey is a grey trainer, and it only works with certain kicks, but New Balance make it work. I have to admit, New Balance make it work. So if there's a kick you like from New Balance, I would say definitely go and have a look now. There, you can find them on those websites. You can go to other shops. A lot of retailers sell New Balance, and they're there to be picked up. 550s had their moment couple of years ago or a year ago where every colorway you couldn't get. Now you can go to a shop and pick them up without any hassle. Usually got your size. And this is just a great thing. I have to say, this is one of the best unofficial sneaker days I've seen. I have to put it like that because it's the most underrated marketing event, but if you know, you know kind of thing. You know, it's just mad. And it's just typical New Balance. It's just typical New Balance. And I'm here for it. So go out there, man. I'm not being sponsored by New Balance. I just thought it was a wicked thing and I had to share this with you. New Balance Grey Day 2023. And this kick's out there for everyone at a decent price as well. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. I'm going to do a video on a New Balance kick I've just picked up, and I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to do it. So keep an eye out for that. And you'll only know when I've dropped that if you hit the notification bell. So make sure you hit that. But that's me, Patrick T. I'm out. Peace.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never